In this topic, you will learn about new features of Control Panel, how to search a particular applet or task, how to use View by option. Control Panel is one of the most important features of Windows operating system. Control Panel allows users to configure operating system features and perform related tasks such as hardware and software setup and configuration, security, system maintenance, and user account management. However, many users do not perform Control Panel tasks frequently, so they may not remember how to begin, perform, or complete these tasks. Microsoft Windows 7 provides a visually enhanced and better organized user interface that alleviates these problems and makes Control Panel easier to use. Windows 7 Control Panel is more user-oriented. Some of the new features include fast search, enhanced Control Panel Home, etc. To open the Control Panel, click the Start menu icon from the taskbar. Click the blinking Control Panel option. The Control Panel window opens. You will find following two changes in Windows 7 Control Panel. A. Settings has been moved to the Control Panel, so there are more sections, each with more subsections. B. Add or remove programs has been changed to uninstall a program under the Programs category, as very few people add or install any new programs from the Control Panel. Below the standard Maximize, Minimize, and Close buttons, there is another control known as Search. This fast search allows users to quickly find applets and tasks from anywhere in Control Panel. Although Windows 7 provides almost twice as many applets as Windows XP, this new search features makes navigating through Control Panel very easy. The search works by finding out the matching applets or tasks based on the query hits in the title and the description of the applet. The search also finds out matching tasks based on the query hits in the title of the task and keywords associated with tasks. Users can display an applet or launch a task by simply clicking a search result. Let's quickly see how it works. If you wish to change your desktop background, type background at the cursor position in the search box. Note, search gives applets and tasks related to the background. View the various options listed. Click Change Desktop Background under Personalization to launch the Control Panel window where you can change your desktop background. Alternately, you can click the Personalization to display list of applets and tasks associated with personalizing your computer. Click the back arrow to come back to the search result page. You can click the Ease of Access Center from the search result where you can set the magnifier, narrator, on-screen keyboard, and high contrast. You would learn more about this in the page later. Search is designed to store tasks and their keywords together in the same file. Search simply reads the contents of the file, compares the text of the task you have provided in the search box to the keywords in the file, and returns the link and name of the task if there is a match. Although the word you type in the search box may not be the name of any applet or task, still, search will return a valid result if it finds a keyword that matches your query. Let's have a look at how it works. We have deleted the previous search text and positioned the cursor in the text box. Type mute at the blinking cursor position. Note that the search result includes adjust system volume, but mute is neither an applet nor a task. This is because mute is one of the keywords associated with the adjust system volume task. Thus in Windows 7, you can also search for applets or tasks directly from the search box. Another new feature in the control panel is the View By option. Windows 7 control panel has three views: Category, Large Icons, and Small Icons. Category view. This categorizes common features into single group and display in front of you. Category view is the default view, and in this view, control panel items are divided into 8 categories. Large icons. This displays various controls with large icons in a control panel. Click the blinking drop-down arrow besides View By to select the view. Select the blinking large icons from the drop-down list. You can see the various controls with large icon in the control panel. Small icons. This displays various controls with small icon in a control panel. To select this view, click the blinking drop-down arrow besides View By. Select the blinking small icons from the drop-down list. You can see the various controls with the small icons in the control panel. Notice control panel of Windows 7 enhancements are mostly in control panel large or small icon view. This was done to improve the user experience in control panel and make it easier for software developers, administrators, and other users to complete their tasks quickly and efficiently. In Windows 7, navigation in the categories has been redesigned so that each category appears as its own page in the address bar and navigation pane. As a result, navigating the control panel by category is much easier. Thus, control panel is the most important feature to configure your system. This topic ends here. In this topic, you will learn about different feature and security category of control panel. Click the blinking System and Security to open System and Security category. You can see 8 tools in this category. You will study each and every tool one by one. Action Center. The Action Center is a new feature in the Windows 7 control panel that checks the security and maintenance related items, which indicate your computer's performance. If a problem occurs with a monitored item, such as if the virus database is out of date, a message appears in the taskbar notification area. The affected item in the Action Center displays a color-coded message that reflects the severity of the problem along with a recommended action. Click the blinking Action Center to see the Action Center page and control. The first thing you will find in Security section, this section contains status information about Windows Update, virus protection, spyware protection, Internet security settings, user account control, and network access protection. Please note, Windows firewall settings are hidden. To unhide them, click the blinking drop-down arrow. Observe all the hidden settings are displayed. We have scrolled down the page and you can see the maintenance section containing status information about problem reports, Windows backup, Windows update, and the troubleshooting features are kept hidden. Click the blinking drop-down arrow to unhide them. Notice Windows Update and the troubleshooting features get displayed. Within the Action Center, you can access Windows 7 New Troubleshooting Platform, which is a comprehensive and extensible tool that is capable of identifying and resolving a wide array of problems. Click blinking troubleshooting link to open the troubleshooting page. Troubleshooting page helps to troubleshoot any problems related to programs, helps you to troubleshoot various programs like Internet connection, Internet Explorer performances, Internet Explorer safety, program compatibility issues, printer problems, Windows Media Player, settings, Windows Media Player library, and Windows Media Player DVD. Second, hardware and sound. Hardware and sound page helps you to troubleshoot various hardware and sound related activities like playing sound, recording audio, hardware and devices, network adapter, printer, and Windows Media Player DVD. Third, network and internet. Network and internet page helps you to troubleshoot various network and internet-related activities like internet connection, shared folder, home group, network adapter, incoming connections, and printer. Fourth, appearance and personalization. It helps you to troubleshoot various appearance and personalization related activities like Aero. Fifth, system and security. It helps you to troubleshoot various system and security related activities like Internet Explorer safety, system maintenance, performance, power, searching and indexing, Windows Update. We have returned to the Action Center page and scroll down the page for your convenience. You can see the recovery icon here. Click the blinking recovery icon. This helps you to recover system in case of operating system failure problems. Here, you can access System Restore feature. You can click Open System Restore to restore all the system files and settings. You can also view the Advanced Recovery Methods link here. This link helps you to either use a disk image to restore your system or to reinstall Windows. We have returned to the Action Center page and scroll down the page for your convenience. In the left-hand side of the panel, you can see the Change Action Center settings. This page helps you to turn security and maintenance messages on or off by checking or unchecking the checkbox beside it, and changes depending upon how solutions to problem appear. On the same window, you can find one more section called Related Settings, in which you can share your experience with Microsoft using Customer Experience Improvement Program settings. Problem Reporting Settings page helps you to set when to check solution with Microsoft for the problems reported by operating system. We can also change report settings for all users by using the link Change Report Settings. This helps to select program to exclude from reporting and Windows error reporting privacy statement online. Third link in Windows Update setting allows updates for Windows. We have returned to the Action Center page for your convenience. Click the blinking View Archived Message link. Observe the archived message window. If you have used the problem reporting feature to report problems to Microsoft, those messages will appear in the archived messages window. Since we had not come across any problem, this page is empty. We are back within the Action Center. Click the blinking Change User Account Control Settings option. Notice a pop-up window appears on the screen. This window helps to control and adjust the level at which user should be notified if certain program is trying to make harmful changes. User account control will require administrator level privileges before changes are made to the system. Let's not change the settings. Click the blinking Cancel button. Within the Action Center, you can access and view performance information and tools by clicking the link. Please note, Windows highlights the system's Windows Experience Index rating. By clicking Adjust Visual Effects, a performance information pop-up window opens, which helps to adjust performance by changing a multitude of appearance settings. Adjust indexing options help you to customize the Windows search index to improve the efficiency of the searches. Now, let's move to the second tool of System and Security. We have returned to the System and Security page. Click the blinking Windows Firewall icon. Here, you can view the status and adjust how the operating system's built-in firewall works. By clicking Allow Programs to Communicate through Windows Firewall, a page that opens in front of you allows or disallows programs from sending information to or from your computer through the firewall. By clicking Change Notification Settings, You can turn Windows Firewall on or off. You can easily restore all the settings to their default values using Restore Defaults link. By clicking Advanced Settings, a page appears, using which you can fine-tune the Windows Firewall on a much granular level. System. We are back on the System and Security page. Here, you can access the familiar System icon, which is essentially a one-stop resource for identifying your Windows 7 edition, hardware, network, and product ID. Click the blinking System icon to open the System window. Notice, System window displays the basic information about your computer, like the type of the processor, installed memory capacity, operating system type, computer name and domain or workgroup name. If your Windows is not activated, you can also activate your Windows from the same page. From within the System window, you can access Device Manager, which allows you to view and control all the hardware attached to the computer, installing and upgrading of device drivers, troubleshooting of device failure. Windows Update. We are back on the System and Security page. Windows Update tool available here helps you to view the status of the operating system's updates. Click the blinking Windows Update to open the Windows Update tool. Check for updates. Using Check for Updates link available in the left panel, you can manually check for new updates anytime. Change settings. This link allows you to choose how Windows can install updates. View update history. This link provides you the detailed information about Windows updates that have been installed on your system. Restore hidden updates. These are the updates you've asked Windows not to install or notify you about from within the Windows Update tool. You can restore hidden updates. Power options. We are back on the System and Security page. Now let's see what is the use of Power Options tool. This tool is used to select a predefined power plan. It is a collection of hardware and system settings that manage how your computer uses power. Click the blinking Power Options tool. Balanced is selected by default. Clicking the Change Plan settings allows you to reset the turn-off display and put the computer to sleep setting. Require a password on wake up or choose what the power button does? This tool helps you to configure the power button functionally using power button settings. It also helps to set the way computer should wake up from the sleep using password protection on wake up. Create a power plan window helps you to define your own power plan. Backup and restore. We are back in the System and Security page. Backup and restore tool available here. Configure, schedule, and launch a backup operation, as well as launch a restore operation. It allows you to set Windows backup using Setup Backup, as well as we can restore backup using Select Another Backup to restore files from. Create a system image. Utility helps to create an exact copy of a drive. It helps you to add the location where system image should be taken. We can take the image on the hard drive, DVD, or network locations. From within the Backup and Restore tool, using Create a System Repair Disk link, a bootable CD or DVD is created, which contains the Windows System Recovery tools. We are back on the System and Security page. Here, Administrative Tools folder contains tools for system administrators and advanced users. The tool in the folder might vary depending on which version of Windows you are using. Since this tool is mostly used by the administrator, we will not go deep into the folder. Let's move to the next topic. In this topic, you will learn about Uses of Network and Internet category tool. The Network and Internet is the second category in the control panel. It contains all the tools you will use to check the status of the network, change settings, set preferences for sharing files and computers, configure Internet connections, and much more. When you click Open the Network and Internet category, you will see that there are 3 tools in this category: Network and Sharing Center, Home Group, and Internet Options. Let's study each tool one by one. The Network and Sharing Center is essentially the heart of the Network and Internet category. This page contains most of the controls that you use on a regular basis. If you are connected to a wireless network, you will see information pertaining to a wireless network and an additional option for managing wireless networks. Seeing Full Map helps you to see full map of the network in which your computer is connected. Set up a connection or network wizard helps you to configure different types of network connections, like connect to Internet, set up a new network, connect to Workplace, and set up a dial-up connection. By clicking on Home Group Options, you can access Change Home Group Settings window. This is a place where you can set type of network group, like Home, Work, or Public. By clicking Internet Options dialog box, an Internet Properties window pop-up appears, which works just like the one in Windows XP and Windows Vista. This topic ends here. In this topic, you will learn about Windows Explorer 8 and wired and wireless connection. Internet is a computer network established worldwide. It consists of millions and trillions of smaller networks that exchange information. Browsing the web, in other words, surfing the web, has become a form of entertainment as well as a simple and powerful research tool that puts a world of information at your fingertips. Students, teachers, business people, shoppers, gamers, and others can find any information or entertainment they want on the web. With a high-speed internet connection, you can stream live radio programs, recorded television programs, and movies from the internet to your computer. The web is the information space you access through a web browser, such as Internet Explorer or Firefox. The Internet transports web traffic and other traffic, including email and file transfer operations. Windows Internet Explorer 8, which is by default installed with most editions of Windows 7, is a web browser with which you can easily view, search, print, and save web pages. To use the Internet, you must connect your computer to the ISP, that is, Internet Service Provider, by using any one of the connecting media, like a wired or wireless connection. We will study both types one by one. Wired connection. Nowadays, computer motherboards are equipped with Ethernet or network adapter. You can physically connect the computer to a router by using an Ethernet or LAN cable. A router is a device which is used to connect your computer to Internet or ISP, that is, Internet Service Provider. These routers are normally supplied by the ISP in your area. Internet cables supplied by ISP acts as a single connection given to you in your house or office. This Internet cable is connected to router at one end, while other end of the router should be connected to your computer. If you want to distribute or share single Internet connection between multiple computers in your home or office, then you need one switch or hub. Router will be connected to any one port of the switch. Any computer connected to switch will share the Internet connection. For a scenario wherein you want to control share of Internet on multiple computers, we need to insert one proxy server between router and switch. Proxy server is a server which helps in sharing as well as controlling the Internet access to all the computers in a network. Many proxy server softwares are easily available on Internet. Wireless connection. Nowadays, wireless network adapters are easily available in the market. You need to install wireless adapter in your computer. For installing wireless network adapter, you can take help of your local computer hardware engineer. Second thing that we require is the wireless router. If these two things are available, wireless connection can be set in your house or office. Dial-up. If your computer has a telephone modem and your ISP offers dial-up access, you can physically connect the computer to a telephone socket by using a standard telephone cord. The modem establishes a connection to the ISP through your telephone line by placing a phone call. The connection is active only for the duration of the phone call. To create an internet connection through an ISP, we need to first set up an account directly with the ISP, who will provide the information you need to complete the connection process in the network and sharing center. ISP provides you following configuration details: the static IP address or the address of the DHCP server, DNS addresses and domain names, POP3 or IMAP settings for incoming email, SMTP settings for outgoing email. Depending on the area in which you live, you may have access to several ISPs. If you're looking for an ISP, your telephone service provider and your cable television provider are good places to start. You might also have options through a satellite television service provider, a satellite broadband service provider, or a wireless broadband service provider. If you are living in a rural community, contact your local town hall for a recommendation. The administrator will also be able to provide information about companies that have applied for permits to expand their internet services into your area. This topic ends here. In this topic, you will learn about Media Player 12, managing songs in a playlist. Windows Media Player 12 is the core part of Windows 7 operating system. In this topic, we will learn some features which are new to this Windows Media Player 12. Along with this, we will learn to manage songs in playlist, viewing, playing, and changing playlists. A notable feature of Windows Media Player 12 is its support for H.264 video, AAC audio, and both X-video and DivX video, in addition to all the formats supported by Windows Media Player 11 in Windows Vista, that is MPEG-2, WMV, MP3, etc. With the support for these new codes, the popular media player for Windows is now able to play the majority of videos found on the web out of the box. Windows Media Player 12 also supports iTunes libraries apart from its own libraries. Thus, it supports most iTunes media except for DRM-protected iTunes Store songs and music. Windows Media Player 12 also makes it easier to play back audio or video on remote devices. This feature is called Play To. Moreover, Windows Media Player 12 can stream media to other computers in your home group. So, for example, you can browse your library on your laptop, but actually play back on the HTPC connected to your sound system. Windows Media Player 12 completely separates library management from what's currently playing with two distinct player modes, Now Playing View and Library View. Highlighted control button is used for switching between these modes. Library View contains all the library manipulation features similar to Windows Media Player 11. Now Playing View contains the current playlist, control to switch over to library mode, and videos. Mini Viewer There's also a new taskbar mini viewer that works with the new Windows 7 taskbar that the media player can run in the taskbar, and if we want to locate the track, we only need to hover the mouse over the Windows Media Player icon in the taskbar. Jump lists. Windows Media Player 12 includes support for jump lists. For jump lists to appear, you need to right-click on the Windows Media Player 12 icon in the taskbar. This was all about the features of the Windows Media Player 12. Managing songs in a playlist. Before understanding the management of songs in playlist, we assume that the Windows Media Player is open in library view mode. To create a playlist, first select the location where we want to create the playlist. In our case, we assume that we want to create in Playlists group, so select Blinking Playlists. Click on the blinking link to create playlist. Observe the untitled playlist is created. We have deleted the text here for you. Give some name to it. Type Utkarsh in the blinking box. Now press the Enter key on your keyboard. Notice you can see the playlist with the name Utkarsh. This was all about managing songs in playlist. Viewing, playing, and changing playlists. To play all the songs in a playlist or change a playlist, first click the blinking Play tab. The playlists appear under the Playlist branch in the navigation pane. You will see all of your saved playlists in the Contents pane as icons. Recent playlists will be listed first, followed by all playlists. Open shows the contents of the playlist in the Contents pane. Play plays all the songs in the playlist. Add to adds the songs from the playlist to whatever playlist is currently in the list pane. Rename allows you to change the name of the playlist. Delete deletes the playlist. Open file location opens the folder in which the playlist is stored. To play a song using Windows Media Player 12, simply go to the folder where the song files are stored and select single or multiple files from the list. The song automatically gets added to the Windows Media Player library and starts playing. This was all about Windows Media Player 12. In this topic, we learned some features which were new to this Windows Media Player 12. Along with this, we also learned to manage songs in playlist, viewing, playing, and changing playlists. In this topic, you will learn about downloading and installing Windows Live Essentials, programs available in Windows Live Essentials. Windows Live Essentials is a suite of free programs for your PC running Windows that makes it easy to create and share polished movies, organize your email, and more. Windows Live Essential consists of the cloud of many application programs that has been ripped off from default components of Windows operating system. In Windows 7, Windows Live Messenger, Mail, Photo Gallery, Movie Maker, Write, Toolbar of Family Safety no longer been installed by default. For users who want to use the features, the programs have to be downloaded exclusively via Windows Live Essentials using http://windows.microsoft.com/n-products/windows7/products/features/Windows-Live-Essentials URL. System requirement for installing and using Windows Live Essential is as follows. Windows 7, 32-bit or 64-bit editions. Processor speed should be 1 GHz or higher. Memory should be minimum 512 MB. Resolution should be minimum 1024 into 768. Internet functionality requires dial-up or broadband internet access that is provided separately. Windows Live Toolbar requires Internet Explorer 6, Internet Explorer 7, or Internet Explorer 8. Windows Live Movie Maker requires a video card that supports DirectX 9 or higher and Shader Model 2 or higher. Windows Live Essentials package includes the following applications: Windows Live Messenger, Windows Live Mail, Windows Photo Gallery, Windows Live Toolbar, Windows Live Writer, Family Safety, Microsoft Office Outlook Connector, Microsoft Office Live Add-in, Windows Movie Maker Beta, Microsoft Silverlight, and other supporting or dependencies programs. Windows Live Messenger. The latest release of Windows Live Messenger is a great way to chat, play games, or share photos instantly. It not only includes a completely new look and feel, but it's also designed to let you make it your own. You can personalize nearly everything. Add pictures or short videos of yourself that can change with your mood, allow people know what music you are listening to, and customize the scene in the conversation window. To download Windows Live Messenger, you need to type the following URL: http://windows.microsoft.com/en/Windows 7/products/features/Windows-Live-essentials in the Internet Explorer page. We have already opened the Internet Explorer and typed this URL for your convenience. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Observe the Windows Live Essentials web page that appears in front of you. As you can see, we can download various Windows Live Essentials from this page. Click on the blinking Messenger link to download Windows Live Messenger. Notice a Windows Live Messenger download page appears in front of you. Click on the blinking Download Now tab. Observe a window that pops up in front of you. This window allows you to run or install the setup directly on your computer using Run tab, or else we can download the setup and save it on your computer using Save tab. Saving utility on your computer will help you to use it anytime, anywhere, if needed. Click the blinking Save tab to save the utility. Observe the window that pops in front of you. Decide the location where we want to save this utility. In our case, we will save it on E drive. Click on the blinking Local Disk E to select E drive. Click the blinking Save tab to save the utility. Observe the progress bar, which shows you the download status. This is how the Windows Live Messenger is downloaded. In the similar manner, we can download rest of the Windows Live Essentials. To install this utility, go to the utility that resides on E drive. For your convenience, we have opened the Windows Explorer page where this utility was downloaded in last session. You can install the utility by double-clicking on the utility. This was all about downloading and installing the Windows Live Messenger. Windows Live Mail. Windows Live Mail gives you one place to access multiple email accounts from various providers: Hotmail, Gmail, Yahoo. Benefit of this is, let's say you are offline and you need to check the address on a party invite you got the other day. No problem. Older messages and calendar events are accessible in Mail even when you are offline. Windows Live Movie Maker. With Windows 7, You get it as a free download through Windows Live Essentials. Windows Live Movie Maker has been designed to make it easier than ever to share your creations with your friends and family, and has been redesigned to help you make movies you will be proud of. Import and combine photos, video clips, and music, and then edit your movie and publish your video creation to the web. Here, we come to the end of the Windows Live Essential. This topic helped us to learn various types of Windows Live utilities like Windows Live Messenger, Windows Live Mail, and Windows Live Photo Gallery, etc. We also came to know the location from where we can download and install these utilities.